For the next video, I will discuss to you the encapsulation. On the destination side, the receiving devices synchronize on the digital signal and extract the first and zeros from the digital signal. At this point, the device will the frames run a cyclic redundancy check or the CRC and check their output against the output in the data frames. Frame check sequence or the FCS field. If the information matches, the packet is pulled from the frame and the frame is discarded. This process is known as the encapsulation. Then the packet then transfers to the network layer where the IP address is checked. If the IP address matches, the segment is pulled from the packet and the packet is discarded. The data is processed at the transport layer that reveals the data stream and acknowledged to the transmitting station that it received each segment. It then transfers the data stream to the upper layer application. At a transmitting device, the data encapsulation method works as follows. User information is converted into data for transmission on the network. Data is converted into segments and a reliable or unreliable connection is set up between the source and destination devices with connection-oriented and connectionless protocols. Segments are converted into packets with a logical address such as IP datagram using an IP address. Then packets are converted into frames for transmission on the local network. Media access control, MAC address, or the Ethernet address are commonly used to uniquely identify hosts on a local network segment. Then frames are converted into bytes and bits and a digital encoding and clocking or signaling method is used. So for the reverse process of encapsulation, we have decapsulation occurs when data is received on the destination computer as data moves up from the lower layer to the upper layer of TCP or the IP protocol stack or the incoming transmission. Each layer unpacks the corresponding header and uses the information contained in the header to deliver the packet to the exact network application waiting for the data. So as you can see, we have the upper layer message, the TCP UDP or the segment datagram, the IP datagram, and the layer 2, which is the application data, upper layer headers, TCP UDP header, IP header, and the layer 2 header.